Here we are. Combining like terms. We've got to, let's show example A. Example 1. Are you eating? Write down the example. 3x plus 7 minus 5x plus 2. Alright. Well, combining like terms, first of all, we need to know what like terms are. Alright. If a number by itself is a constant, so write that down. Number, just put number by itself, constant. No variable. A number that's in front of the variable, so number in front of variable, that is coefficient. I don't think it's a hyphen. A hyphen, but it's a hyphen. So, 2 of these have variables, and 2 does not. So we have 2 constants, and we have 2 variables. Now, on the first one, what is the coefficient of this first term? 3. All right. What's the coefficient of this? 5. Technically, it's -5. But you're right. All right. So, combining like terms, we can't combine a constant with a variable. Can't do it. We can multiply them, but we can't combine them. We don't combine it, adding and subtracting. So all this is adding and subtracting. So we can only combine this, and then this and that. So always go with the variable first. 3x, or positive 3x, and negative 5x. So basically we got 3, coefficient 3, minus 5. What's 3 minus 5? -2. Leave the x with it. Just bring the x along with it. That's their last name. We're just combining these people, -2x. Okay, now combine the 2 constants. A positive 7 and a positive 2 is positive 9. Now, a lot of times they're not going to say combining like terms on like any kind of standardized test. They're going to say simplify the equation, or simplify the expression. This is the expression. We have simplified it. We can't go any further than this. That is the answer. Because this an x and the constant, we can't combine those 2. So as far we've got that simplified, and we got that second part simplified. All right. Having fun yet?
No.
All right. No fun. Let's see who has more fun. There you go. I like it. Let's go. 10x minus 4. I'm making up problems here. Plus x squared. There you go. It's fun. Told you having fun.
Wow.
Negative 5x squared plus 10x minus 4 plus x squared minus 6x plus 12. Okay. When we're talking about terms, the power, all right, or the exponent, it matters. Okay, so this has negative 5x squared. This has just 10x. Those are different. Those are totally different. Treat them as they're totally different. Even though they both have x involved, they are different. So, negative 5x squared, what can I combine with a negative 5x squared? Is there any other x squares here?
Squared.
Just x squared. Now,
Yes.
what is the coefficient of this x squared right here?
1.
Right. If you don't see it, it's basically an understood 1 there. All right, so we have a positive 1x squared. So I got negative 5x squared and a positive 1x squared. So combine those two, and we get what? Read.
Negative 4x squared.
Negative 4x squared. So all the x squares are taken care of. Now, let's go with the x's. We have positive 10x minus 6x and nothing else. So combine those two. What's 10 minus 6?
4.
Positive 4. So add the coefficients or combine the coefficients and just bring along the x. And the last one is negative 4
Plus 12.
plus 12, which is
8.
8. And we got that's as simple as we can get because it can't go any further. They want to write this in descending order with the exponents. So if I had x to the 5th, x to the 4th, x to the 3rd, then x to the 2nd, x, and constant. So you write it in descending order. Click.